How much does a business license cost? Every state will require a business license to operate a company within that state. Some cities may require certain licenses too. These licenses are documents issued by government agencies and allow businesses to operate within those regions, certifying that your business is safe for the public. A business license could cost anywhere from $25 to several $100s, depending on what you do and where you conduct business. Some states will have a general statewide business license, while others will have local or county-based business license requirements on top of that. The cost of a business license vary by state, business activity, and business location. The fees associated with those licenses will also change and need to be renewed regularly. Please visit zenbusiness.com to learn how much a business license will cost in your state. Thank you for joining your business consultant. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when new small business content will be uploaded. Have a great day.